The government is working closely with the private sector to improve the business environment and is doing business in Kenya. Speaking during the opening of a smart energy solutions factory in Machakos, Industry Principal Secretary Dr. Juma Mukhwana said the government is keen on leveraging public-private partnerships to grow the contribution of the manufacturing sector to the economy.
Global, a Chinese-based firm specializing in smart energy solutions, has opened a smart meter manufacturing factory in Athi River, Machakos County, becoming its 10th overseas processing plant under the Chint Group. The factory has a production capacity of 200,000 meters annually, which officials plan to double in a year's time.
Our strategy for the whole group is localizations and also globalizations in different countries, including Kenya and African countries. That's our strategy now. Maybe we want to try to catch this market.
Industry Principal Secretary Dr. Juma Mukhwana says a government is keen on more public-private partnerships aimed at growing the manufacturing sector.
We are promoting the construction of industrial parks so that we cut the cost, so that every investor doesn't have to buy land, fence it off, and spend many years trying to set up a factory. So what we are trying to do is to create industrial spaces where you are able to plug and play.
For this particular industry, we have ensured that their products have been tested and they have passed the Kenyan standard, which is for this particular product is an East African standard.
The smart meter manufacturing factory will primarily serve the Kenyan market and supply products to the broader East African community. Frederick Muki for Lunchtime News.